On this episode of How to Do Florida, Chad surprises Kristy with an epic lake-hopping adventure.
Me and you on the Blueway Trail.
As we show you how to do the Blueway. And Chef Justin is preparing a recipe that can only be fit for a king.
We got these king mackerel steaks. We're gonna serve them with some citrus butter.
It's time to do Florida.
Hey, today we're gonna show you how to do the Blueway.
Yeehaw!
There are many ways to experience Florida's lakes and rivers. Paddleboarding and kayaking have become some of the most popular ways to see a different side of Florida. But the nostalgia of paddling a canoe amongst beautiful cypress trees is a special experience I have always enjoyed. Because of the popularity of these self-powered boats, many areas have developed Blueways, a series of paddling trails created by local cities and states that encourage recreation and wildlife preservation. Today, we're in Lake County, located in the heart of Florida, just 30 minutes west of Orlando. And paddling one of the Blueways in Lake County seemed like the perfect place to spend time with my wife, Kristy. So while planning for our canoe retreat, I met up with Mary Prescott from Florida from a Kayak to learn a little bit more about Lake County's Blueways.
So Mary, what exactly is a Blueway?
The Blueways are marked paddling trails. Lake County has some of the largest within the state. It's just a great opportunity to get out and paddle and play.
But this is a special trip for Kristy, and I thought I would start it off right with a night on the town in beautiful Mount Dora. First things first, check into the historic Lakeside Inn.
You're gonna love the next few days, girl. I got it all planned.
Oh, wow. Look at this place. Feels like we're stepping back in time.
This is amazing. Oh, you hear the floors? They creak.
I don't know what the surprise is, but I really love this inn, so it's off to a great start.
Look at that, boar's head at the lobby. Not every hotel can pull that off.
And there you are. Enjoy your stay.
Mount Dora is known for its world-class antiquing. So Kristy and I stopped by Oliver's Twist to see what we could find.
Now, what makes this or anything an antique?
An antique is 100 years old. A lot of it is designer name, how rare it was, what it was used for. Those types of things give items value as opposed to just age.
As Chad and I walked around the antique store, I realized that Chad and I have stark views on what a precious antique is.
That's what I found.
Whoa.
Look at that.
What is that?
Vintage crush. You're not allowed to drink it, but it's worth a lot of money.
Gross.
Old school pocket knife.
That's pretty cool.
Look at this orange perm pillow.
Where does he think that's gonna go?
What'd you find?
Found this Picard porcelain set. Isn't that gorgeous?
Wait a minute. What is that? The price of the date?
Oh, look at these. They're so cute. Two little doggies. These will be perfect.
With our antiques in hand, it was time to find something to eat.
Downtown Mount Dora has so many places to eat. We can't decide. Can you decide? I can't decide.
And then end our day with a beautiful sunset view of Lake Dora. The next morning, I brought Kristy down to the shore for the big surprise.
Me and you on the Blueway Trail.
What does that mean?
Here's what we're gonna do. 1,400 lakes here in Lake County. Don't worry, we're not gonna hit all of them, just 3, okay? We're gonna take a spectacular boat ride. It's gonna be amazing.
Where is the boat?
Step 1, get a boat.
The boat, my dear, is right in front of us. Feast your eyes. It's a 14-foot Mad River canoe, more than adequate for what we're doing.
Where's all the luggage gonna go?
Honey, that's something I need to work out with you.
With Mary's advice from earlier, I was fully prepared for this trip. I had thought of everything.
Is this a have to?
Will there be a place for us to go to the bathroom along the way?
It's a big lake, so you know what, we'll work that out
Okay.
when we get there.
Is this an anti-tip canoe?
I don't know if that was part of the package I got.
We begin our voyage heading west along the shore of beautiful Lake Dora.
As part of your Lake County experience, you and Kristy are going to paddle the Golden Triangle Trail, and you're going to see some fabulous sights through the course of this trail.
Man, I wonder how long these homes have been here. It's such a mishmash of really, really old homes and then just some newer ones that have come in and remodeled. What a front yard right here, honey. Look at these homes.
Isn't this a backyard? We saw a lot of gorgeous homes right there on the water, a lot of wildlife, and the weather is just perfect today.
And with such beautiful scenery, it was hard for me to remember my job in the canoe.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey, I'm sorry.
Watch it!
Okay.
Gosh.
Point taken.
Chad is actually really good at canoeing. What are these, like cattails or something?
These are cattails.
Except when he gets distracted.
Turns out, canoeing is a lot like
You know what
marriage.
you're doing? Oh my gosh! Ah! It's a spider
spider web. We just went
Hey, there's
through.
no
Gross.
spiders in here. Believe me, you're
sure?
fine.
Each person has an individual job, but you work together to move the canoe
Just
forward.
be patient with me. I'm getting us out of here.
When everything is working properly, this is a great experience.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Honey, I know how to steer a canoe. Do you suggest married couples paddle together?
Not in the same vessel. The components that go along with canoeing,
Yes.
having to work in tandem to navigate, to make the turns.
Yes.
Should you have that fateful moment of capsizing.
Yes.
Would be a great marriage therapy. But there's a reason why they're called divorce boats.
Maybe we could try singing a song to keep us in sync.
I don't think a song is going to help, honey.
It's not all rainbows and butterflies. Sometimes it takes compromise. And with that, I came to a humbling conclusion.
As much as I hate to admit this, we might need to switch positions.
The person in the front's job is to create the power. The person in the back, they're responsible for the steering.
And that's like marriage. This has to be a swift move, okay?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
You're not moving.
I got it.
Remember, whether in a canoe or marriage, it's always important not to rock the boat.
Honey.
You're throwing us off balance
I'm
right
not.
there.
I'm trying to get us in a
Stay
strategic
low.
position.
Stay low.
At least not intentionally.
I can't believe that worked.
Tell me when you're locked in position. Please don't get my pillow on the floor. It's all wet.
Step 2, recharge your batteries. Just after noon, we arrived in downtown Tavares on the north side of Lake Dora.
Nice, we did it.
We're gonna get something to eat and take in the sights. This is the seaplane capital of the world.
We took time to enjoy the downtown scene in Wooten Park.
Tavares is a really cute little town. They have a nice little splash park and shops to browse around in, and it's really quaint.
Near the shore was the beautiful Lakeview Inn, where we would be staying for the night. Tavares was the perfect place for Kristy and I to spend the evening. After all, tomorrow would be another busy day, and I still had one more surprise for her the next morning.
Now that is a seaplane. Wow.
Coming up, Chef Justin crowns a new recipe, King.
We got king mackerel steaks with Florida herb and citrus butter.
But next, Chad and Kristy continue on the Blueway. But did Chad think this all the way through?
Please tell me we don't have to paddle all the way back.
I didn't really think about that, baby.
After paddling on the Golden Triangle Blueway, Kristy and I spent the night in Tavares. Today, we're in Lake County, located in the heart of Florida, with an array of dynamic features that include more than 1,000 lakes and rivers. Lake County continues to attract visitors looking for that authentic Florida experience.
Just off Highway 27 in southern Lake County is a little gem, the showcase of citrus. What's cool about this place? They let visitors hand pick blackberries, blueberries, and oh yeah, citrus.
And with their Swamp Safari Eco Tours, guests can comfortably ride in the world's largest 4x4 and learn about Florida native plants and wildlife. In South Lake County, Lake Louisa State Park offers some of the best amenities and family activities for all ages.
Here, you can camp in one of their primitive sites or take it up a notch and stay in one of their magnificent cabins.
The cabins accommodate up to 6 people with full kitchens. And while staying on the lake, take the time to do some paddleboarding and canoeing. It's a great way to experience the beauty of the real Florida. Lake County is also known for its world-class bass fishing. In fact, that would be Kristy's surprise this morning.
Captain Ted, I'm Chad.
Our guide for the day, Tim Frederick, who's been fishing these lakes all his life. I know what you're thinking. You surprised your wife with bass fishing? But this is something Kristy and I did on our first date, and it's actually something we both enjoy doing. Yeah, I'm a lucky man.
I'm going to take them to Lake Eustis. Lake Eustis got a lot of bass, probably the most on the chain, so we're going to see what we can do.
Oh, there it
Got
is.
something. Look at him.
Come to daddy.
Woo!
This is the main predator species out of all these lakes here, right?
Absolutely.
Just a great fish.
Yeah, I enjoy catching them immensely. It's just probably my favorite thing in the world to do.
Yeah.
There you go, girl.
There he is.
Good job. Oh! See, that's how she releases.
See?
The power
Yeah.
release.
Fishing these waters is satisfying in itself, but watching other people that have never been here catching fish, there's nothing better than that.
Remember how we used to fish when we first met?
Oh, yeah. I'll never forget the redfish we caught together, one of our first dates.
After a morning of catching bass, we were back in the canoe for the next leg of our Blueway adventure. We continued west toward the Dora Canal.
The Dora Canal was actually a smaller canal that has been expanded as a waterway. It's very shaded, it's very dense, and it gives you that feel of being out in the wilderness on that little 1.5-mile stretch.
Now, Mary told me about this part of the trip, but honestly, I was unprepared for what I was about to encounter. Paddling through the Dora Canal was an amazing experience. This is a journey into natural Florida. Birds, alligators, and large, gorgeous cypress trees line the water's edge.
Kristy, look at that osprey up there.
Oh, I see.
See it?
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
So I think we got this thing worked out here, girl.
Yes, we do. I think we've got it down to a science.
I mean, you are amazing at steering.
Well, thank you.
I'm providing minimal to max power.
Honey, you're a powerhouse.
But, you know, we got off to a rough start, but we've worked out the kinks. We found our position.
Yes, it's working for us.
All right, girl.
Woo!
The Dora Canal led us to the second part of our Golden Triangle Trail.
Is this Lake Eustis?
Yep, this is Lake Eustis. It's just you, me, and the Eustis.
It's beautiful.
We're gonna
isn't
conquer
it?
this lake.
From there, we headed south toward the Dead River.
The Dead River is the connecting point between two larger bodies of water. Again, a real pretty, very diverse area, but very wide.
Look at that. There's our last sign right there. If my calculations are correct, I think this is it, girl. This is Lake Harris.
This trip had turned out amazing. I can't believe I pulled it off. I thought of everything.
Yes! Woo-hoo!
And that brings us to step 3. Plan your exit strategy.
What now? Please tell me we don't have to paddle all the way back.
I didn't really think about that, baby.
Seriously?
You know what? I'll figure something out, though.
Good.
You just sit back.
All right.
Luckily, the seaplane capital of the world was just a phone call away. What a spectacular way to end our canoe adventure. I want to thank Jones Brothers and Company for the ride. The Blueway Trail is truly a wonderful way to experience Florida. From antiquing, bass fishing, taking in the wildlife, and our seaplane adventure, Lake County delivers a beautiful blend of old and new Florida. And it offered Kristy and I a chance to reconnect with each other.
Next, Chef Justin introduces us to a unique dish sure to give your taste buds the royal treatment.
You have done king mackerel justice.
Oh, got him. Whoa.
Chef, what are we doing today?
That's right, Chad. Today we got king mackerel steaks with Florida herb and citrus butter and garlic snap green beans.
Oh, no, he didn't. Rawr! Well, Chef, real excited about the recipe we've got going on today.
Yes.
King mackerel, caught here in Florida.
That's right. We're going to do some cool stuff. We got these king mackerel steaks. We're going to serve them with some citrus butter, and then over on top of a little bit of Florida snap beans with the garlic and sweet peppers. It's going to be yummy.
Hey, before we start, you know, one thing I've been wanting to do is to bring the viewers in a little more intimate as to what
Okay.
cooking here. They can't smell it. You guys can't taste it. Sorry about that. I've got this special camera. I'm going to be clipping this in various positions as we cook. It's kind of a cook cam. Can you work with this?
That sounds good.
It will not get in your way, I promise you.
Right.
Okay, let's just start off here. I'm going to go ahead and get us rolling here. Okay, we're hot. Is this working? Okay, can we cut to this? Okay, because the first shot I want to do is just a Coke
Right
cam.
there?
Right here. It's a Coke cam. You know, I get to be so close to you here, so
We'll give it a try.
let's cook.
Okay, can we cook something now?
Let's cook something.
All right, good.
I'm sorry. Here we
Okay,
go.
let's go ahead and get started with our side dish, which are our sweet snap beans with peppers and onions and garlic. So I've got my pan on medium-high here. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil, get my onions in, and my peppers, beautiful Florida peppers, and my green beans. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our salt and pepper. I don't know about this thing here.
What do you
This is
mean?
a little, how am
do
I
you mean?
supposed to cook with this?
You want it off? Is it too much?
Yeah, it's a little too much here.
I knew you would not be down with this.
There you
Okay.
go.
Good gosh.
That's better.
Is it okay if I clip it other places? Can I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Help yourself.
Okay.
So this is sizzling good. Medium-high heat, salt and pepper in here.
Can we cut the pan cam over here? Are we getting that?
I've got a little bit of seasoned flour here. I'm gonna put my olive oil into my preheated pan. And now what I wanna do is just a little quick salt and pepper on each of these fillets. Why?
Why? Because we always pre-season, and
Everything.
we pre-season in layers.
Yes, layers of flavor.
Wait a minute, what are you doing?
Okay.
The batter cam.
All right, so we're just gonna dredge these just lightly in a little bit of the seasoned flour. This is gonna help to give it a nice little crispy texture.
Oh, yeah.
Lay it right in. Mackerel is a little bit oily and can have a little bit stronger flavor than maybe a snapper or a grouper, so we kind of use some more intense preparations as far as when pairing it with flavors.
So you got vegetables cooking here, Chef. We got our...
Yeah, we have our side dish cooking here, our snap beans and sweet peppers. We can go ahead and add our garlic to this.
Oh, yeah.
Get in there. So we can go ahead and make our citrus butter now. So I've got about a half stick of unsalted butter. Now, why do I use unsalted butter? Because I like to control the amount of salt that I'm adding myself. And we've got our citrus, and let's go ahead and make some citrus zest. So I've got a zester here. I'm just gonna run this around.
You're just showing off. You just love the zest.
I do love the zest.
What's the craziest thing you've ever zested?
Probably my knuckles.
Your knuckles.
Get some zest off there, and then we'll use a little bit of lime as well. This is gonna give some good color to it and some good flavor.
Zest cam. Zest cam. Let's cut the zest cam.
So we've got our zest here, and I'm just gonna chop this up just a little bit. You can already smell it, very fragrant. So we're gonna put that in with the butter. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of parsley here. And then I'm gonna take my spoon, and I'm just simply gonna mix up this butter. Beautiful, so that's done. All right, Chad, I think it's time to plate up.
Here, you're coming to me.
I'm coming to you.
How are you gonna do this?
Okay, we're gonna put the green beans down in the center. Now I've cooked these till they're just crisp tender. I like them nice and crispy.
Oh man, I wish you could smell this back home, but they can't smell it. Why don't we have that technology, Chef?
I know. I'm gonna take my mackerel fillet. And then we're gonna take a nice little dollop of the citrus butter, kind of make it into a sauce. There you have it.
Absolutely spectacular, Chef. You have done king mackerel justice. This looks absolutely spectacular.
It does look phenomenal. I can't wait to try it. You ready?
Oh man, Chef, it's almost not fair. Absolutely delicious. For this recipe and many, many more,
go to howtodoflorida.com.
The citrus. Well, that's our show. I hope you learned something, but more importantly, I hope you feel encouraged to get out and do Florida.
Get off the plane!
Get gummit, man. What the heck?
For more info on this episode, go to howtodoflorida.com, where you'll find bonus how-to videos and all of Chef Justin's yummy recipes. And be sure to check out our Do Florida page, which is our giant list of events and activities all over the Sunshine State. Yeah, you should check it out.
This is an investment, okay? This might put one of our kids through college. You can't reduplicate that.
Hold it right there.
Wait. You're gonna stake it while I hold it?
Well, yeah.
Yeah,
Ooh, I got something, honey. Got it.
There's a largemouth cameraman right there.
We did it.
Seaplane. Oh, honey, look at these. Look at these. Oh, look. Look at these. I love these. These are so great. Zest cam. Yeah, right there. Oh, yeah, perfect. Yes.